Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I thought I would do a festival prep haul because I have to go to the store to purchase some items. I am going to a wine festival tomorrow. So I thought it would be fun to record that and just show you guys how I prep for the festival, how I pack everything, and what I take with me. So if you're interested, stay tuned. This is mainly all of the items that I'm going to take with us to the wine festival. So I have cheese snacks, and this has nuts and cranberries in it, and this one does as well, and they're just by Sargento. And then I have some blueberries and some strawberries. I am going to cut these up. I'm going to wash them and cut them up and put them in a bowl. I have a few grapes. I love dark cherries and hard because I want them crispy like and crunchy and sweet. Oh my gosh. But yes, anyway, I love cherries, so I saw these and I picked them up. I have a nice watermelon over here. I have some party mix, Utz party mix, and M&Ms. And my husband, he loves the kinds with the peanuts. I love the ones with the almonds. So I got some of those. Spearmint gum. And some Twizzlers. And more nuts. These are the little packets, and this has almonds and walnuts in them. And then just a few bottles of spring water. And this is just green tea, and this is by Trade Winds, and this is the honey green tea. Sandwich bags, and these are freezer bags. I'll put something in them, the fruit or the chips or something. And then I have just little packages of tissues for, you know, if your nose runs or if you get something in your eye, just grab one of these. Mosquito repellent, because there will be bugs out there. I plan to be out there all day. Paper towels, and then some napkins, and forks and spoons, and then just some small bowls, and wet wipes, of course. This is citrus, this is the original. And then just a container of hand sanitizer. I did see this book, and I just picked this up. I'm not necessarily taking this to the festival with me, but I heard great things about this book, so I just picked it up. It's The Gifts of Imperfection, and it's by Brene Brown. And she was on, I seen her, but I didn't watch the show, but I seen the previews where she was going to be on Oprah's channel on the Super Soul Sunday on Oprah's channel. And they were going to be talking about the book. So it's supposed to be like a self-love, motivation, affirmation type of book, and I love those types of books, so I just picked it up. So again, it's just The Gifts of Imperfection by Brene Brown, and it says, let go of who you think you're supposed to be and embrace who you are. Your guide to a wholehearted life. So I can't wait. I can't wait to read this. But yeah, I just picked this up randomly. But yeah, that's all I got. So I'm going to show you now just how I cut up everything and prep everything, put in the containers, and then I will put it in the cooler. Yep. So now I'm just going to show you, I may show you just little clips of me cutting up the watermelon, washing my fruit and everything like that. And let me show you the cooler. So these are just a few of the things that I'm taking. This I picked up at Aldi's. This is a 7.5 foot steel umbrella. I purchased this today for $19.99. So I'll take this with us. And then this is just a bag, a tote or bag, beach bag or whatever bag that I take. I'm going to put probably the paper towels and plates and everything in here, in this bag. And then I have this I picked up from the supermarket. This was $2.99, I believe. And this is just a styrofoam container with the top. And I'm just going to put ice in here. And I'll probably put the tea and the water bottles in this container, in this cooler. And then this one is, this is the cooler that I'm going to put the fruit and the cheese snacks and all of that. I'll put in this cooler with some ice. honey bun. Paella. Oh, look at it's a big old pot of paella. That's huge.
Fresh paella.
Huge.
Fresh paella. Muscle, beef, lamb,
Paella.
chicken.
This one, bang diggy diggy, bang diggy diggy, bang ding dang ding dang diggy diggy, bang 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 dang dang dang, bang diggy diggy, bang diggy diggy. Talk your own about the honey Miss Lassie. She puts this on the bunch of rose, and if I ever tell you about Maxie, you will not say I don't know what I know.